Breakdown, baby.
Okay, so getting started in Project Play, what we want to do is use the template number that's provided on this Pano tutorial here. So you need to go to the number here and just capture that. Go to Project Play, and instead of creating it all from scratch using these nodes, I'm going to go to the projects and go to import and use that project ID and go OK. Now you need to give it a name. Don't give it the same name as what's in the list there. Make sure you choose a unique name. So I'll call this Project Play underscore. Don't use any spaces. Construction underscore demo. And go OK. And now we can launch that. And what you'll see here is it's gone and created all the nodes that you need for the workflow. So hidden inside that node is more information and even more information on how those cubes are created. We just go up the hierarchy here to the basic set of nodes. You have some number of panos, so the more panos you create, the more you want to add in here. Then there's a bit more information on the max expression. Arrows, I won't get too much into arrows at the moment, but these are the left and right arrows controlling how you navigate through the model. So this is the little demo template that comes, or the demo files that come with it, and those are the arrows that take you from point A to point B. And this is just the node inspector explaining it. So what I want to do before I get up and running is just clean up this template so I can bring in my own customized images. So I'm just going to go to the drop down of the panos and right click and just delete these 3 spaces. And what you'll notice actually, if you just look at what's in them, these are the 12 images that have come across from the view cube, which we're going to convert. So it actually goes from 0 to 9, but there's actually a 10, 11. It doesn't order them quite right. But we're going to cut up our view cube download from A360 rendering and then drag and drop them in here. So I'm just going to do the setup first before I start bringing in the files. So first thing I want to do is look at, I just got one node here, is look at some of the settings here. And the first one I want to do is look at the folder names. And this is the directory for the different folders you have here on the left and where they're pointing to. So you can see the main folder is called Panos, and it was pointing to the living room. Now I don't want to do the living room anymore. I want to rename this. So I'm going to call this 1 and 2. And you can see the engine on the right updating in real time here. And /3. And I'm just going to have 6. So panos /4. Got the directory all set up. So these are the 6 folders, and I just need again to create them here. So I just do 1. Okay, so here I have my 6 corresponding folders under the Pano folder tree here, and then under my enter folder names, the folders. There's also a couple of things to note here. You have the maximum amount of folders and number of panos. Change that to 6, and that will just update now. So we should have 6 numbers in here as well. This is all included within the tutorial here that I'm following. I'm just trying to do it as a video to make it a little bit simpler. And we're now going to move into bringing in the content.